Animal Crossing.
So the game is Animal Crossing. It develops your child's agility, balance and coordination. You really don't need a lot of equipment for this game because it's a movement-based activity. I've just got some cones and markers here to show where the road is. The setup of Animal Crossing is relatively simple. I've just used the cones to mark out a road, and on that side I've put a sign up saying the zoo. These cones are for obstacles later on. So Sienna and Jensen, you're currently in the zoo and this is the road. What I would like you to do is cross from one side of the road to the other side of the road and back to the zoo like any animal that you want to be. Your favourite animal. You want to be a penguin, Jensen, what are you? A lion, okay? Think about how the animal might move and make your way across the road. Well, off you go then, show Daddy. Oh, that's good, Jensen. Go on, Jensen, be your lion. That is brilliant, well done. And back to the zoo, Jensen. Now this time, I want you to be a bouncy, jumpy animal. What animal could you think of that's bouncy and jumpy? A frog, Jensen? A kangaroo. So I want you to bounce all the way to the other side and back to the zoo. Away you go. Now the really good thing about Animal Crossing is it encourages a child's creativity and stimulates their imagination. So this time, guys, I want you to be a really fast animal, and it could be in the water or it could be on land. Have a think. What animal goes really fast? A giraffe? Okay, you can be a giraffe. Penguins aren't very fast. What about a dolphin or a shark? A shark's really fast. And what are you going to be?
A giraffe.
Okay, you ready? Away you go. We've got a shark and we've got a giraffe. So guys, I really want you to think about how the animal moves. So Sienna, how does a giraffe move across the road? With a long neck, really tall. That's right. So if you're going to be a giraffe, you want to get as tall as you can. Jensen, if you want to be a shark, you need to snap and snap and snap. That's brilliant, guys. Well done. So Sienna and Jensen, guess what? There's now some obstacles in the middle of the road. So when you cross the road this time, you're going to have to mind out all the obstacles that have fallen into the middle of the road. So this time I want you to be a really small or low animal, and you're going to have to go in and out of all the obstacles to the other side of the road. And what animal are you, Sienna? A mouse. Okay, away you go. That's really good, Sienna. You're trying to encourage your children to do as many experimental movements as possible, really thinking about how those animals move. Now this time, guys, what animals go really slowly? A turtle, that's a great animal, Jen. These are really good turtles, guys. In and out the obstacles. Oh, Jensen, Sienna, that's brilliant. All the way to the other side of the road. I want you to think of the fastest animal you can. A lion. Are you ready to be a lion? Go. Well done, guys. And what animal makes lots of noise? A monkey. And back again. Really dodge in and out. So Sienna, now Jensen is the zookeeper. You're trying to escape the zoo, get to the other side, and then come back as quick as you can. Mr. Zookeeper, go! Well done. And back again. Well, Daddy's going to be a monkey. I've got back again. I made it. Well done, Jensen. And back again being a horse. So that's Animal Crossing. Good luck, get creative, and use your imagination.